Welcome everyone. IUPAC nomenclature of the compound. This compound contains one hydroxyl group and one keto group in its structure. If a compound contains one hydroxyl group and one keto group in its structure, then keto group is the main functional group and hydroxyl group behaves as a substituent. Assign numbers to long carbon chain so that keto group gets the lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This compound has two substituents at position 4. One is methyl group and the other is hydroxyl group. Since in English alphabet H comes first, then M, therefore first 4-hydroxy and then 4-methyl. This compound has 5 carbon atoms in the long carbon chain, so pentane. Keto group is present at position 2, so 2-one. Therefore, IUPAC name of this compound is 4-hydroxy 4-methyl pentane 2-one. Thank you for watching this video.